Walking down the street, just hoping for someone to meet, knowing I was the only one around, but still hoping to hear a sound. I'm in sorrow and pain, my heart is down and is in vain. I just can't walk on my own anymore. Please, someone take me back to the shore. I kneel down and pray, and I finally found someone to wipe my tears away. Who else but Jesus, my love? Always there for me above. I give my thanks to you, my Lord, for now I am free. Found what I need, and now I'm free 'cause of His deed. Now there's a light shining from my face 'cause of the wonder of His grace. I know if Jesus